Welcome to Smart Finance Guide, your ultimate resource for personal finance tips, especially for those living in the USA and UK. Managing your salary effectively is a challenge we all face, whether you're juggling rent in London or planning savings in New York. In this video, we'll dive into smart strategies tailored to your financial needs, helping you save more, invest wisely, and achieve financial freedom. Let's get started. 1. Credit card debt. Credit card usage is common in both the UK and USA, but the interest rates are extremely high, ranging from 18% to 25%. If you're in the USA, look for balance transfer cards to consolidate your debt at 0% interest for a limited period. In the UK, explore options like low APR credit cards or consult resources like Money Saving Expert for practical advice. 2. Tax benefits. In the USA, mention retirement savings options like 401k and IRA plans that offer significant tax advantages. Encourage viewers to contribute enough to get their employer's match. It's essentially free money. In the UK, talk about ISAs, individual savings accounts, particularly stocks and shares ISAs, which allow tax-free returns on investments. 3. Cost of living adjustments. Discuss how the cost of living varies in cities like London, New York, Los Angeles, or Manchester. Offer tips on saving money in high-cost cities, such as 1. Using public transport to save on commuting costs. 2. Cutting back on subscription services, like Netflix, Amazon Prime, if underused. 4. Housing costs. In the USA, mention strategies like house hacking or using apps like Zillow to find affordable rentals. In the UK, highlight platforms like Rightmove or Zoopla and discuss the benefits of shared housing for young professionals. 5. Retirement planning tools. In the USA, discuss the importance of using retirement calculators available on platforms like Vanguard or Fidelity to estimate savings. In the UK, emphasize the importance of contributing to workplace pensions and using the government state pension forecast tool to plan better. Lifestyle-specific examples. 1. Emergency fund in the UK and USA. 1. USA, mention the need for health insurance due to high medical costs. 1. Without proper insurance, a medical emergency can cost thousands of dollars. 2. UK, while the NHS provides free healthcare, highlight the importance of saving for dental treatments, private care, or unexpected expenses. 2. Investing in gold. 1. In the USA, recommend ETFs like SPDR Gold Shares, GLD, for easy investment. 2. In the UK, suggest options like Royal Mint Gold or Gold ETFs available through platforms like Hargreaves Lansdown. 3. Budgeting tools. 1. USA, mention apps like Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, and Personal Capital for budgeting. 2. UK, suggest apps like Monzo, Revolut, and Emma to track expenses and manage savings. Thank you for watching Smart Finance Guide, your trusted partner for building financial freedom in the USA and UK. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let us know in the comments where you're watching from, whether it's London, New York, or anywhere else, and what financial topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.